Before buying a garage door opener, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Compatibility isn't just about brand names. It's about the tiny details that can leave you with a remote that doesn't work, even if it looks perfect. Let's fix that today.
Product number 1, GeoAudi Universal Remote 2-pack. This GeoAudi remote is one of the cheapest options out there at just $9.99 for 2, and it's flying off shelves with over 3,000 sold last month. It caught my eye because it claims wide compatibility with Chamberlain, LiftMaster, and Craftsman openers from 1993 onward, but only if they have those colored learn buttons. If you want a budget-friendly backup remote that just works, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The rolling code encryption means every time you press the button, a new security code is generated. That stops hackers from grabbing your signal and sneaking into your garage later. Plus, it works up to 160 feet away, so you can start opening the door before you even get out of the car. Programming is simple. Just press the learn button on your opener, then the remote. The LED lights guide you through it, so no guesswork. Now, some people complained about it not working with older dip switch systems or Genie openers. Here's the thing though. If your opener has physical switches instead of a learn button, this remote simply won't pair. And it's not compatible with Genie or overhead door brands at all. That's a real limitation if you're not paying attention to the fine print. This is perfect for you if you have a Chamberlain, LiftMaster, or Craftsman opener made after 1993 with a colored learn button. Skip this one if you're using an older dip switch model or a Genie system. For under $10, it's solid value. Just double check your opener type first.
Product number 2, Daton 10 Genie Replacement Remote. Alright, that was a solid option. But if GOT's lack of Genie support frustrated you, this Daton 10 remote takes a completely different approach. Priced at $13.99 for 2, it's built exclusively for Genie and overhead door openers with IntelliCode technology. Over 2,000 sold last month shows it's filling a real gap in the market. What makes this one stand out is its precise compatibility list. It works with specific ACS-TCG and ACS-GT models made since 1997, things like G2T, GIT, and GMIC series. The 390 MHz signal gives you reliable control up to 150 feet away, and programming is tool-free. Just sync it with your opener's learn button. No wiring, no hassle. The included visor clip and battery make it ready to use right out of the box. Now, some people were confused because it won't work with any remote that uses dip switch models. Here's the thing though, if your Genie remote has tiny switches you flip with a screwdriver, this isn't for you. But if you've got a modern IntelliCode model, this is one of the few third-party options that actually works without issues. This is perfect for you if you own a Genie or overhead door opener made after 1997 with IntelliCode. Skip this one if you're still using an old dip switch remote. At under $14, it's a smart buy, if it matches your model.
Product number 3, Avicentech 893 Max Universal Remote. Now, if the Dayton's narrow Genie-only focus felt too limiting, this Avicentech remote brings back broad compatibility, but with better durability. At $11.65, it supports up to 3 garage doors and works with Chamberlain, LiftMaster, and Craftsman openers using colored learn buttons since 1993. Over 1,000 sold last month, and it comes with a rare 3-year warranty. Here's why this matters. The 3rd generation Smart Chip has passed over 100,000 cycle tests, meaning it's built to last years of daily use. Rolling code security updates every time you press the button, so your signal can't be copied. Programming takes under 2 minutes. Press the learn button on the opener, then the remote. No electrician needed. You even get 2 pre-installed batteries and visor clips. Now, some buyers were disappointed it doesn't support the newer Security Plus 3.0 white learn button models from 2026. Here's the thing though, if you have a modern 2026 opener with that white button, this won't work. But for everything else from the last 30 years, it's rock solid. This is perfect for you if you want a durable, multi-door remote with long-term support. Skip this one if you bought a brand new 2026 opener with a white learn button. The 3-year warranty makes it a standout value.
Product number 4, Miken's 41A 5034 Safety Sensor Kit. Alright, that was a solid remote, But the next one on my list might actually be even better for safety. This Miken sensor kit isn't a remote, but it's critical. It replaces broken or outdated safety sensors on LiftMaster, Chamberlain, and Craftsman doors made after 1997. At $12.99, it's a small upgrade with huge peace of mind. Here's why this matters. If your garage door reverses for no reason or won't close at all, it's often the sensors. This kit includes two sensors, sender and receiver, with 19.68-inch wires, screws, crimps, and a clear manual. Made with high-quality ABS plastic and tested under ISO 9001 standards, they're built to outlast the originals. Proper alignment ensures the door only closes when the path is clear. Now, some people found the wire length tight for larger garages. Here's the thing though, 19.68 inches is standard, and most installations fit fine. If you need longer wires, you can extend them, but that's a rare need. This is perfect for you if your garage door won't close or keeps reversing. Skip this one if your sensors are fine, but if they're acting up, this $13 fix could save you a $200 service call. The 10-year warranty is unreal.
Product number 5, Chamberlain 950 ES-TD Security Plus 2.0 Remote. Finally, if you want a remote from a trusted name with strong security, this Chamberlain 950 ES-TD is a safe bet. Also from Avison Tech at $11.38, it uses Security Plus 2.0 rolling codes and works with most Chamberlain, LiftMaster, and Craftsman openers with colored learn buttons, just not the 2026 white button models. Here's why this matters. The advanced rolling code changes every time, blocking signal theft. It's tested for 100,000 plus cycles, so it won't quit on you. Programming is fast, under 2 minutes, and you get 2 remotes, batteries, clips, and a manual, plus a 3-year warranty and 24-hour customer support. Now, some users were frustrated it doesn't work with newer 2026 openers. Here's the thing though, if you've got an older system, this is one of the most reliable replacements. But if you bought new in 2026, check your learn button color first. This is perfect for you if you want brand level security without the brand price. Skip this one if you have a 2026 opener with a white learn button. For under $12, it's a no-brainer.
So which one's best? If you're on a budget, GeoATY gets the job done. Need Genie support? Go Dayton 10. Want durability and multi-door control? Avison Tech's 893 Max wins. Having sensor issues? Mike's kit is a lifesaver. And for trusted security, Chamberlain's 950 ES-TD delivers. Just match it to your opener. Don't guess.